Allison and Brian. Today we're going to show you how to make orange Jello.
Hello, I'm Brian. I'm going to help my sister to make orange Jello.
So first, you need to wash the oranges like this, but I already washed it. And then we need to cut the oranges in half by the top to bottom. So right now I'm cutting the oranges into half. Right now I'm scooping the inside out. And here we go. Got the inside out. So, and then you make the Jello. I'm gonna scoop it up. Yeah. So this is a measurement cup, and we're gonna need 2 cups of boiling water and 2 cups of cold water. Ryan's gonna count how many oranges there are. Now come.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So we have six skins of oranges, and my mom helped me pour boiling water, and here it is. 2 cups of boiling water in this bowl. And now I'm gonna pour the gelatin in. Whoa! Yeah, cool. And then now I'm gonna stir it. It looks so cool. Stir it until it's completely dissolved. And it's almost completely dissolved. So let me just stir some more. Okay, now we're gonna pour 2 cups of cold water in, and Brian's gonna do it. And then we're gonna stir some more. So now it's ready, and we're gonna scoop 2 cups of Jello mix into the orange skins. And my brother is helping me. And then when we're done, we're gonna put them in this tray. hold it like this. Now let's try it again. One scoop, like, watch me. 1, 2. I think that's all. Let me do the next one. I'm gonna refill this. They're ready to go in the fridge. After 30 minutes, we're gonna check on them, and while 30 minutes, we're gonna go out to play. And then, yay! And then when they're ready, we're gonna eat them. It's gonna be yummy. And now they're ready. So let's try it. Go ahead and try it. What do you think, Brian? Yummy. Please like and subscribe if you like our video. If you like our video, please watch us. Thank you and bye-bye.